Good morning.
Yeah, very good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, fine. Can I have your resume, please? Yes. Your good name?
Mahesh Permalla,
Okay, where are you from?
Varangal.
Okay. Can you say something about yourself?
My name is Mahesh. I'm from Varangal. Presently living in Hyderabad. My technical skills are full stack Java and SQL. I worked on two projects, mini and major. In that mini, I was developed software-based prototype power system, and in my major project, I was developed UAV unmanned aerial vehicle for surveillance. I also my hobbies are doing electronics projects, and I will enjoy traveling also. That's all.
What type of places you can travel?
Recently Srisailam and Medam,
Okay. So, why you choose Java?
because Java gives me challenge when I am learning on course.
So, how much rating yourself out of 5?
4.5.
4?
4.5.
4.5. Okay. So, can you say something about JVM architecture?
JVM architecture is nothing but a memory allocation. It will allocate the each and every part in the program memory allocation. Can you provide paper?
No need. Just what are the parts available in the JVM architecture? Okay, just explain each and every part in the class loader subsystem. Okay.
JVM consists of a method area and Java stacks, heap area, and native method area. In method area, the bytecode is stored in the static blocks, and static variables are stored in method area. In heap area, temporary results are stored in heap area. In Java stacks,
What in heap you can store temporary variables.
temporary results.
Temporary results.
No ma'am. In heap area, we can create the objects. Whenever the execution is started, objects are created. The objects are stored in heap area. In Java stacks, temporary results are stored in Java stacks. Program PC counter. It is nothing but an index like textbook. It identifies the instruction of address to be executed. Native method area, it is whenever we are writing Java program, sometimes we have to link other language like C. That language has been stored in native method area. Coming to execution engine, it consists of a interpreter and JIT compiler. Interpreter it will work. The bytecode is checked line by line, and JIT compiler is improve the performance of program.
Okay, JIT compiler improves the performance of a program. So, who will deallocate memory to a Java program?
Garbage collector.
Who will allocate memory to a Java program?
JVM.
JVM. Okay. So, can you differentiate between system.exit of 0 and system.exit of 1? What is the difference between them?
System.exit of 0 is normal termination. System.exit 1 is a termination due to an error.
Okay. You are calling Java is a very secure language. Okay. So tell me few of the security problems what we are having in internet, and what are the solutions for that, and how you can say that Java is providing high security.
Mainly we have 4 security problems in internet. To overcome this security of Java is encryption and decryption. First of all, eavesdropping is nothing but reading the data illegally from others. Tampering is nothing but not only reading, we can modify the data illegally.
Okay.
Imperson, a person or internet.
What is the solution for tampering then?
Tampering, same, the encryption and decryption.
What is the meaning of encryption then?
Encryption is nothing but converting the data, original data into a unreadable data.
Okay, converting original data into unreadable data. What is decryption?
Conversion of unreadable data into original data.
Original data. Okay. Yeah,
Next.
continue.
Next, impression. Impression is nothing but a person acting on the internet by using other person's details. For this problem, we have digital signature. That is, the file contain personal details, encrypted file.
Okay. So what is the last problem we are having?
Virus.
Is any other problems we are having?
Virus.
Virus.
It is a type of program that can damage the system, software and hardware.
Okay. How the virus will be spread?
Whenever we are downloading unauthorized website like images, text images like songs like that.
Okay. So how we can avoid this problem by using Java? We can say that when we are developing any Java program, we are saying that Java is very secure and it does not carry any virus. So virus is the major problem most of the systems are facing, most of the people are facing, right? So how you can avoid by using this programming language? What is the solution we are giving? Sandbox model.
Yes.
Which file I am not asking? I am not saying about the sandbox model. So to remove virus, that means when you are executing any Java program, virus code will not be detected. So what is the file we need? How you can say that how we can avoid a virus problem in Java?
I don't know. I will go to it.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. So what is difference between JVM and JRE?
JVM and JR. JVM is nothing but it is a software. By using we can develop the Java application. JRE, it is the implementation of Java program to execute the Java program. JVM needs to JRE needs to run. Java program need to run, plugins are needed. JVM application runs need to JVM. In JRE, a set of instructions, a set of libraries and resources that JVM used to run the Java application program.
Okay. I think you are feeling very tensed. Why? See, when you are coming to any interview, you should be very confident. If you are feeling tense, it means how can I ask the questions? So don't feel tensed and be relaxed, and whatever you want to say yes. Okay, if you know the question, you can answer it. If you don't know, just I don't know. Say like that. Okay, but be comfortable. Then only I can ask you more questions. Okay, that's fine. What about JDK?
It is a Java development tool. It is a software. By using this JDK, we can perform some tasks like Java compilation, Java in Java interpreted by Java C. By using this, we can convert source code into bytecode. Java by using Java interpreter, we can execute the Java program. Java docs. By using this, we can generate the other documentation file like HTML. Java H, it is by using this we can generate the header files from the Java program.
Okay. So what are naming conventions in Java?
Naming conventions is nothing but whenever we are representing packages, we have to represent starting with small letters. Constants are representing in capital letters. Classes and interface are represented starting name with capital letters.
Okay. So what is the definition of interface?
An interface is nothing but by using this we can link with the one class to another class.
You can link with the one class to another class. Is it true?
I'm not
Confident. What is the definition of class?
does not exist on real world.
Okay. Is there any other definition for class?
It is a blueprint.
Blueprint. Okay. That's fine. What is the definition of a package?
It is consisting of a program related libraries like files. Like
What type of files it can contain? Name some
Like-
packages.
java.util,
Mm.
io.package,
Mm.
java lang, like
Okay. What is the main difference between .exe file and .class file?
.exe file will only runs in Windows, but .class file it will runs any of the OS.
Okay. So, is .class file is a system independent? Is .class file is a system independent?
No, it is system independent.
What I said is .class file is system
Yes,
independent. Yes. Okay. .exe file is?
Dependent, system dependent.
So where we can use .exe files?
In Windows, while
Windows.
installing
In which programming languages we can generate a .exe file? Okay. So what is an array?
array is a data structure collection of same elements, which same data types.
Same. How many types of arrays we are having?
Two types.
What are they?
One single dimension, multi-dimension.
Multi-dimension array means
It consists of row and columns.
columns. Where we can use multi-dimension array concept?
Matrix.
Matrix representation. Okay. What is jagged array?
Jagged array is nothing but similar to array, but the main difference between array and jagged array, columns are in jagged array columns are variable. We can not fix a column.
There is no fixed
Fixed
column.
columns.
Can you say any other name for jagged array? It is also called it as. You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. So I can give you one question. Okay. So you can say orally in how many ways we can represent arrays in Java. So actually everybody know that arrays can be represented by using only for loop. Okay. Why? Because if you are representing the matrices also, we are using the for loop, and you are inserting the data into the particular rows and columns. In how many ways we can represent arrays?
7 ways.
So what are the 7 ways? No need of writing any coding, just tell me what are the 7 ways we are having.
Simple for loop, enhanced for loop, iterator, list iterator, while loop, iterable for each,
Okay.
stream for each.
Okay. String class.
Stream.
Okay, that's fine. So now write down one program. Okay. So write a Java program to find out the frequency of array elements. Okay. So that means you need to take one array. Okay. You need to take one array with different values. Okay. So repeated numbers will be there, right? Every repeated number frequency you need to find out. For suppose in an array 10 is repeated for 4 times. So you need to get 10 as the element and the frequency will be 4. Okay. So like that, how many numbers you are having in the array, how many times it was repeating. So you need to find out the frequency of each and every element in the given array. Okay. So write down the logic for that. So write down somewhat big letters. String access, strings access.
Stream.
can we write like that? Int a is equal to -1. Is it the correct syntax you are writing?
In a is equal to -1.
-1.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it colon or semicolon?
Got it.
Yes. So why you are taking count value as 1 initially?
When the repeat value is comes in, for example, I is repeating, that time it will counts 1.
Okay, every time
every time
if the number is increasing, so you need to count the
Count
value
values.
to 1.
Starting with 1.
Okay. So side you can write down. Did you give the open brackets?
Okay, you are done.
For if condition you have given the closing brackets or for loop? Okay, for that for loop. Okay, continue. Okay. Your program is completed? Okay. Can you explain the program briefly?
The class name is base public static void main string args. I am taking here integer values representing with new. Taking the
What is the purpose of new keyword?
We can represent in this way also by object it is.
New is used to create object.
I am taking empty array. Length is same with first array. Whenever the elements are repeated, for the first time iteration, it is first element. For the first time, it is first.
Okay.
For the second time, it is second.
Okay.
That time, we are replacing with -1.
Okay. So you are taken two loops, right?
Yes,
I loop and J loop. So what the I loop indicates and what the J loop indicates?
I loop indicates that whether the element is repeated or not. J loop indicates the repeated elements. We have to check if the element is available in the first loop of the I.
First loop of the I. So you are confident that you are saying correct or not?
Yes.
Yeah, explain it. Continue.
If the array I is equal to array of j, if the number is repeated, like if 3 is equal to 3, then it will count the values, how many times it will repeated. Then it will replace the values with -1.
Okay.
Here, if the array of I is not equal to a, the for frequency, this array of is equal to count. Now we are printing the output.
Okay, that's fine. So can you write down another program? Okay. Find out the minimum and maximum elements in the array. Do you know the program? How you can find out minimum and maximum elements in the array?
We have to compare with the index each and every.
Only write down the logic. Okay? No need of writing class name, main method. Only write down the logic. What is the main logic you are having? Okay, from for loop onwards. What are the loops we need to take? What is the condition we can apply? How we can retrieve minimum and maximum elements in the array. You can take one as sample array. Okay?
For example, I am taking int a of array 40, 60, 70.
Flower brackets. You are doing the.
First, I am taking this array index position. Suppose it is index of 0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Now we are each and every, by using this index position of element, we can compare to this element to this element, this element to this element.
Randomly you can give the elements. Randomly it will be there. Okay, fine. Okay.
For I am taking first for loop. I equal to 0. Why? Because I am taking index of 0 this.
Okay.
I is greater. I am checking the length. Now I am comparing. If
You are missing semicolon in the for loop.
If
Only one for loop is enough.
no, ma'am.
Check the adjacent elements.
That's A of I is greater than max value.
Did you declare any maximum variable?
No. If the element is greater than this element, now we are inserting the value into max.
Okay. Okay. For minimum? For minimum?
Same this logic only.
Okay.
For suppose I am comparing in minimum index position 1.
Okay.
Yeah, I am taking 1 because here index position 1.
Okay.
If of less than min. If the value is less than min value, we are inserting into this value.
Okay. So that is the logic to find out the minimum and
Max.
maximum elements. Okay. Have your seat. Oh, why should we hire you?
Because I am a fresher, I want to start my career in this company. Your company is in the market very well, so that's why.
Okay. Would you like to work overtime?
Yes.
For suppose sometimes we are having projects, we need to work Saturdays, even Sundays also. Sometimes you need to work up to night 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. So, would you like to work overtime in the company?
Yes, because of every project have a deadline. We have to complete in the deadline only. Based on my health condition.
So, why do you think you are good fit for this job?
I want to be a developer because in this I want to be a developer in this company because in your job description is slightly matching to my qualifications.
Your qualification. Okay, do you have any questions to ask me
No,
regarding to interview or
I want feedback about me.
lack of communication? Okay, so while you are answering anything, you should be confident whether you are saying or not. Okay, mainly lack of communication. Why? Because if you are working in any company, client projects will be there. You need to interact with the clients, right? The clients are from other countries, not from India. So how you can communicate? So that is the suggestion I was giving to you. Coming to the concept, you should be very confident. Okay, no? Apart from that, everything is good. Okay. Okay. Your technical round is completed. Okay. For further information, our HRs will contact with you.
Thank you.
Okay.